cakewalk. If you watch the video which was created by the family students in the inter-college competition, it will be very helpful for you.
Really? Do you have it with you?
Yeah. Here you go.
Hi, I am Shreya and we are the students of second year family from PES Modern College of Pharmacy for Ladies Moshi. I am one of the sponsors for the clinical trial of a new drug constituent that my company has invented. We will show you the overview of the process from selecting a drug design to the end of the clinical trial. Come with me and let's see what's happening right now in our office. These are my fellow sponsors who are finalizing the study design for our clinical trial. Let me help them.
Go ahead with the randomized clinical trial.
We have to notify the CDSCO, which is the regulatory authority in India.
Now we have to submit all study designs and clinical trial documents to the Drug Controller General of India. We will require investigators to carry out our clinical trials. So these are our investigators.
I am a cardiologist. I am a neurologist.
We are general physicians.
I am a nephrologist. I am a pulmonologist.
The protocol synopsis is presented to the ethics committee, which is composed of a chairperson, 2 medical scientists, a clinician from a medical institute, a legal expert, a social scientist, a philosopher, a layperson from the community, and a member secretary. Everyone from the ethics committee will review and approve the trial protocol, which has inclusion and exclusion criteria for the selection of subjects, along with other necessary documents. After everyone reviews the protocol by ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements, ultimately the approval is given and the clinical trial is initiated.
I'm Clinical Research Coordinator. The sponsor have hired Clinical Research Organization to conduct and oversee all the aspects of clinical trials, including planning, coordinating, executing, and managing the life cycle of clinical trials. We are having an investigator meeting, and I'll invite you to be the part of it. Come, I'll show you.
Here, sponsors and investigators are discussing the approved protocol, administrative responsibilities, and expectations from the investigators. And the investigators' brochure is being shared with the investigators.
I have selected a suitable site where the clinical trials will take place.
Let me show you around our clinical trial site. We have already enrolled subjects in accordance with the requirements of clinical studies. Here our investigators are monitoring the vital signs, lab results, concomitant medications, adverse events, protocol deviation, informed consent forms, data collection, and quality. The subjects will also have follow-up visits regularly for safety monitoring, efficacy assessment, disease progression monitoring, and long-term outcomes. She is the clinical data manager. She works with range of computer applications and database systems to support the collection, cleaning, and management of clinical trial data. Further, the data reaches the biostatistician where they analyze, interpret, and report the results of clinical studies. Ultimately, from all the available data from the clinical trial, the final report is generated. But this doesn't end here. The responsibility of post-marketing surveillance and pharmacovigilance starts after the pharmaceutical product or medical device is approved for sale and is being used in general population.